Nakapunta ako sa first concert ko. Tapos Beanie pa. If you didn't know, I'm a big fan of Beanie. Hell, I'd pay them just to step on me. Simp! Anyway, I found out na magkakaroon sila ng concert sa Philippine Arena to kick off their world tour. In my mind, I thought, world tour? Baka maging last concert na nila to sa Pilipinas. I need to watch them now. Or at least in 3 months. So I decided to buy their tickets. Pero bawal pala ako pumunta pag walang guardian. So, to the rescue ang kaibigan ng ate ko na itatago natin sa pangalan na Sen. After buying the tickets, I was hyped. Lalo na nung sinabi ni ate na gagawa daw kami ng custom t-shirts para sa concert. Fast forward to the special day, wala pa si ate Sen.
Oh my gosh. Ay, nag-echo. Tapos na ang part 1. Sorry kung hindi ako nakaka-post this past few months. But I'm back now. I also put this into 2 parts at isang vid na pinagsama ko sa dalawa. Which is this one. Why? Para mapansin din ako ng algorithm. Anyway, after I uploaded all the parts, I'll try my best to post constantly. So, yun lang. Bye.